guys, welcome back to more Division. And like I said in the first time, this is brought to you by UBISOFT. And I want thanks to them one more time. Hope you enjoyed this second episode. And the first episode I just want to try to do this thing, so we are back to more of this. And I'll see your comments for some questions. I'm gonna make a video next time. So today we're gonna back some Division. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop a like and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Let's kick some asses right now, guys. Right, so we are continuing from here, and there's the guards. You're gonna shoot them, and yeah, bitch, die. Yes. Go. Shit, no. All right. Fuck, man. How much bullets you need? Right, hide here. Okay. What we got here? Oh. Hostile approaching. Okay. You don't have a chance, man. Shut the fuck up. You're gonna fucking die, guys. Go. What the hell are you doing on the car, bitch? Shit! Okay. Where's the other guy? There he is. Fucking with red hoodie, bitch. That's right. Right. Where's the fucking yellow mark? Right here. What's this app? Shit, I forgot. Right. So where's the fucking yellow dot now? Thanks, man. This is really great work. Thanks, man. Okay, so what the fuck now? Where's the red dot? Yellow dot. Where's the fucking yellow dot? Right, the map, we're gonna... Right. So I have to mark the yellow dot. Oh shit, I don't know, man. Right, let's just go there. You're gonna see. Go. Oh, I have to go to the bank, I think. I don't know. The bank or shit, I don't know. I don't fucking know. We just go there to see what's gonna happen, and I don't know. Let's go to this yellow dot. Maybe it's a bank over there. I don't know. Fire truck, bitch. Shit, what the hell? Okay, so we are here. We're gonna restock this shit. Nothing here. God damn it. Fucking ammo. Shit. Where's the guys? Where are the guys? Where are the old guys, man? Where's the fucking yellow dot? I can find the yellow dot. God damn it. Okay. I have to go to the bank or what? Oh shit. So I have to go inside of this fucking... Alright, let's press it. That's it, press it. Interact. That's right. Let's go. Right. It have to be a bank, this? What the fuck? This is... Oh, he stink here. God damn it. Right. This is really different bank over here, guys. What the fuck? Where are you guys? I need some money. I have to deposit some money, guys. Let's go. Oh shit. I didn't see that shit. We was in the sewer. God damn it. Oh shit. Shit. Hey, right over there. Die, bitches. Die. Shit. Die. Kobe! Shit, I missed. Cool! Shit, Kobe, goddammit, fucker. Okay. Right. Where are the guys? Shit, they're here. Shit, come on, reload! Goddammit, it fucking reload. I hate reloading. Die. Come on, fucking reload. Die! Yeah. What the hell I'm doing? Okay. Let's go. We are here. Right. Let's get over it. Right. Shit. Go be slowly. You guys not gonna see me here. Open this shit. Alright, shut the fuck up. Fucking asshole.
Thank you so much. That was terrible.
Right, so we have to do some shit right now. Let's go back to the sewer or what? I don't know, where's the dot? Right here. So put yellow dot here. We have to go all around. God damn it. Let's go. All around, god damn it, guys. Ooh. Oh, here. Who the fuck is this, guys? Let's go. Let's go. Shit. Let's go. Yeah. Go. Right. Where's the other guys? Where's the other guys? Fucking move our. Damn it. It's fucking hard to play with joystick. God damn it. Let's go. Let's go. Hey man, what's up? Shit. Okay. Die! Fucking ass. What you guys doing here? Kobe! Yeah. Die. Die. Yeah. Yes. Where's the other guys? I don't know. Alright. Okay. I heard you. Fucking ass. Right. Oh, they approaching again? Fucking ass. Oh shit! Die! God damn it, you guys. You fucking scare me, man. Die! Oh shit! It's a lot of guard here. Kobe! Yeah! Got. Kobe! Die! Guys, fucking die! Come on. Die! Shit! Die! Oh god. Die! Reload that shit. Right. What? Die! You're fucking gonna die, bitch! Shit. Die. Shit. Reload. Come on, everything reload. Fucking hate reloading. Shit. Kobe! Yeah! Shit, I'm red. Kobe! Just kidding, run. Shit! You fucking here! Oh, that's you. God damn it. Ah! Yeah. Let's do this, guys! Oh yeah! Let's go. I'm gonna fucking make it. We're gonna fucking make it. Let's go. Right, let's go in this house. Jump. Oh, god damn it, you guys. Jump. Yeah. That's how you can do it the first time. Fucking asshole. Open this shit. Nothing special. Let's go outside. What you say? Good morning? It's not good morning, man, or worrying, or what the hell you guys talking about? I don't know. Let's go. The yellow dot is right over there. I have to follow this yellow shit stripe, or what the hell is this? I don't know. So this is shit right here. Alright, let's go. It's not too far. Probably. I'm gonna see. Shut the fuck up. I'm talking here. Woof. You a fucking dog or what? Oh god. Okay. We are here, guys. Present siege. God, what the hell, present siege? God damn it, you. This shit. To normal hard. Hard, I'm gonna put hard. I don't care. I'm playing this for the first time, so I don't care. Alright. Someone come here, come on. I need some special soldiers here. Need some special soldiers here. And 0%. Come on, you know fucking loading. I fucking hate loading this shit. You guys know that I hate loading. Ah. Oh man. Oh finally, come on. 38, 39, 34, 44, 46, 7, 7, 45, 43, 44, 45, 50, 56, 7, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 100. Whoa, that's right. And someone, oh guys, what's up guys? What's up guys? What's up? Right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hostiles. Oh shit, they're coming. They're coming, die! You fucking assholes. Why you come here? You're gonna fucking die. Gonna die. Yeah. Shit, I'm hit. Hit. Go. They're on the roof. Shit. They're on the fucking roof. They're on the fucking roof. I don't care. I'm gonna shoot this guy. What the fuck? Shit. Shit. Die. Die, bitch. Kobe. That's right. Oh shit. What the hell was that? Die from the rooftop. Yeah, on the rooftop, guys. You don't hear me, right? That's right. It's nice. Die. Yes. Fucking have a shotgun. Come on. Take some automatic. Die. Die. Damn. What the fuck was that for so close? What the hell I'm doing? I have no idea. Shit. Okay, checkpoint. Right. Right, thanks man. Alright, let's go. Oh, parking garage, alright. Alright. Die. Fucking die. Fucking baseball bat, die. Yeah. Shit. Die. It's time to say Kobe. Die. Die, bitch, die. Die. Yeah. Fucking assholes. Die, guys, die. Die. Fucking assholes, die. Holy shit, he fucking have a baseball bat. Shit. I'm not gonna save you. Save him. Fuck. Right, I'm gonna save you, man. Here, get up, bitch. Get up. Come on. Why you want to save you? Oh. Finally. Shit, I'm gonna die. Shit. Die. Yeah. Die. I'm gonna die. Die, Kobe. Whoa. Die. Okay. Die, fucking hoodie. Fucking gangster. Shit. Come on, survive this, guys. Survive this. Let's go. Right. Let's go here and go here. Fuck again. They fucking coming again. Kidding me right now. Oh shit, they fucking whole army are there. Die, bitches. It's time to say die. Kobe! Shit, man. It's really bad. Fucking asshole, what are you doing here? The baseball bat. Oh! He fucking shit, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Shit, are you fucking boring, man? It's right. Oh shit, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Shit. Die, guys, die, you fucking assholes. Let's go. Again, here. Jump it. Let's go. Die, bitch. Die. Yeah. Oh. Okay. That's it. That's it. Let's go. Right, we're in here. This is really awesome. Where's that guys, man? You come here, guys. Come on. What the hell did disconnect it? I don't know. Right, let's go. There's no one here, I think. You didn't see that guy. Shit here. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Oh. Where's that son of a bitches? What the hell are you screaming around, man? Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Alright. Come on. I'm waiting for you. Come on. Alright, I'm coming to you. Let me see, where are you? Kobe! Bitch! Shut the fuck up. Sit down. Shit. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Die. Oh, I'm done. I'm gonna die. Shit. That was so close. I'm gonna die. No. Oh. Right. Shit. Where are they? Right. Fucking they don't come here. Right, there are a lot of them. Alright, I see them. Kobe! Yeah! Fucking, why did fucking bomb don't do anything? What the fuck? I think the animated not here. Fucking grenade can do anything. Kobe! And boom! And nothing. Fucking nothing can happen. What the fuck? Die. I'm gonna die. Shit! I'm dead. Oh shit. I'm dead. Come on, please. You see me? Please help me. Come on, man, help me. What the fuck? Finally. Yes. Fucking asshole. Die, bitches. Woo! Go. Hide right here. Let's go. Right, we are here. Let's go. Whoa! Open this door, man. Open it, yeah.
Alert. Hostiles detected.
Hostiles directly, okay. Okay. Where are they? We sneaky. We fucking sneaky. No one we can see us. Alright. Yeah, I know this bullshit, man. And Kobe! Whoa! This grenade don't do anything, man. Okay, man. Okay. Die, guys, die. Right, let's go here. Find the best place to survive. Right. Move, you Batcan. What the fuck? Open this shit. Oh, move, bitch. What the fuck? You're in police. Holy crap. Shut up. Let's go. I'm gonna choose something. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. First in this game, I don't know. Let's just go here. The yellow dot is right. Oh no! Come on! What the fuck? Oh, upstairs. I didn't see this yellow dot. God damn it. Okay, we're almost there. I think we're almost there. We're fucking almost there. There's nothing here. Let's go. Let's go. All right. All right.
Warning. Hostiles detected.
Shit, shit, shit. You will not gonna see me, guys. You will gonna die. Fuck. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? I don't understand. What the hell? Nice, okay. Shit, shit. Shit. Die! What the fuck you doing here, you freaking baseball bat? Die! 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 Fuck! Die! Die! Come on! Come on! Oh! Oh! Come on, die, you bitch! Die, bitch! Die! Yes. You have to go to the top of the roof. To make the top of the roof, and it will end. I'm gonna end it there, guys. I hope you. I don't know. Let's go. Shit. Ah! Go. Woohoo! Die! Die! Come on, fucking reload! Stupid reload! Die! Let's go! Wow! Shit! You fucking scared me! Shit, I'm done. I'm dead. I'm dead. Come on, someone! Where's that, guys? Come on. Shit, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Ah! Come on. Shit! I'm dead. Come on, man, help me. Dude! Help me! Come on! I'm right behind you! You fucking asshole! Shut up! Fuck! I'm just gonna give up, you fucking assholes. I'm right behind him and he didn't help me up. Stupid ass. Ah, alright. That's all you're guilty, guys. You didn't fucking save me. Alright, I know they not hear me. But okay. Let's go destroy these guys. I don't care anymore. You just go there and kill them all. Fucking assholes. God damn it, you fucking right here, bitch. Shit, what the hell? Die, man. What the hell? How much more? How much bullets you need? God damn it. Let's go. I don't scare you guys, though. Let's go. Die. No. I'm not gonna be that. Go. Shit. Where are they? Whoa, me! Haha. I pressed this button in purpose. I'm sorry. Alright. Let's go. Die. She die. Kobe. Boom. Yeah. Kobe. Let's go. Shit. Let's go. Where's the fucking rooftop? I have to go to the rooftop. Shut up. I need to go there. Shit. Come on. Die. It's fucking assholes. Come on, die. Die. Oh shit. I got shot. Go. Die. Whoa. What the fuck, dude? Shit. No. No. Go. Shit. Yes. What the fuck was that? fuck was that? Die, bitch! Die! Yeah. Yeah. That was so fucking close, guys. I don't want to do it again. I don't want to make the same shit again. Right. I think we are so close. We have to go to the rooftop, I think. Shit! Die, bitch! Shit. No again, no again. No! No! Are you kidding me right now? I don't want to do shit again. I don't want to do that shit again. Please. Yes. Please. Where are you fucking going? Come on, man, come on. What the fuck? Help me. Finally. You fucking blind? What the fuck? I don't want to do that shit again. Oh, come on. This fucking asshole. What the fuck? Like it look like I'm fucking invisible, guys. You didn't fucking see me. I think we are here, Restock this shit. Right, let's go. And we are in the rooftops. Yeah, we are fucking here. Yes. Die. Shit. No. I don't want to die. I don't want to die again. Die, you fucking asshole. Oh shit. Fuck, man. Go. Hide somewhere. Hide. Shit. I don't want to do shit again. Die. Come on, die. Shit. Whoa. I got lucky, guys. I got fucking lucky there. Die. Come on, die, bitch. Die. I hate fucking reloadings. Kobe. Boom. Yeah. Come on. Oh shit. Alright. That was so fucking close. Right. Oh fucking shit, man. Jump it. Yes. Die, man, die. Kobe. Shit, I missed. Shit. Kobe. Yeah. Yes. Go. Hide here. Oh shit. Shit. Die. Fucking gonna be fire. Yeah. Fucking fire. Woohoo. Die, man, die. Yes. Die. Yes. Right. I'm gonna fucking die. How much bullet you need? Shit, come on, die. Oh shit. No, you're not gonna kill me. Come on, reload. Shit. Die, bitch, die. Come on, man. You're gonna fucking die. Come on. Yes. Fucking yeah. Bitch. Fucking bitch. Yeah. Yes. Go. Right. So we're gonna end it here, I think. We are fucking made this shit, guys. I'm not thinking about that shit, right? Right, let's go. I'm not gonna end more. Let's go. Come on. Woohoo! Yeah! It's awesome. It's fucking awesome. Alright, let's go. We are fucking made this shit, guys. Yeah. Ooh. I'm sorry. Open. Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go here. Open that doors. That's right. Oh. I know this time when I was a boy. Everything changed here. Everything was changed. I was playing football right here.
Over there.
Yes, over there.
That building.
Bitch, don't interrupt me. Shut up, bitch.
We take the city back, I'll buy you a drink.
Shut up, bitch.
Sir.
She said sorry. She said sorry.
Here it comes.
Alright. Okay. Look at this fucking bitch. Look at this helicopter. Hope this chopper don't gonna blow up. Hope. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa! What the fuck? This fucking blow up, guys. This fucking blow up. Oh god. Oh god. Alright. I'm on the fucking... Oh, she's a zombie. She's a fucking zombie. She gonna fucking eat them. She gonna fucking eat them. Oh yeah. My arm. Yeah, right. Oh. Hey, take me. I need some hand. Give me the hand. It's right. Ooh, that's awesome. Yeah, help me. Don't help her. She gonna survive it. That's right. Haha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Woohoo! 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 Yeah. That's just a scratch, nothing personal.
Look, you're gonna be okay.
I'm fine.
At this point, you're more okay than me.
That's right, man.
That explosion's
We fucking blood. We fucking all the blood right here, guys.
We're still gonna do it. Just
Alright, we're landing in 1 minute, guys. Yeah. Tom Clancy's The Division. Muhahaha.